Living with opioid use disorder in Albany presents unique challenges for those seeking help. Suboxone treatment has emerged as an effective path to recovery, but finding the right medical support is crucial. In this guide, we'll explore how Albany residents can connect with top Suboxone providers and begin their journey to recovery. Suboxone is a powerful tool in treating opioid use disorder. It combines buprenorphine, which eases withdrawal symptoms, and naloxone, which helps prevent misuse. This medication-assisted treatment not only reduces cravings but also lowers the risk of overdose, allowing patients to focus on their recovery. Self-medication carries risks. A qualified healthcare provider ensures safe and effective treatment by determining the right dosage, monitoring for adverse effects, and guiding patients through their recovery journey. SuboxoneDoctor.com connects you with professionals who understand the complexities of opioid dependence. Choosing the right provider is key to a successful recovery. Here's what to consider when seeking Suboxone treatment in Albany. When searching for a Suboxone provider, look for professionals with specific training in addiction medicine who offer comprehensive assessments and support during the induction phase. In Albany, options include Dr. Oldenorf at Oldenorf Medical Services, known for personalized care. Recovery involves more than medication. It requires a comprehensive approach, including medical assessment, management of withdrawal symptoms, and development of strategies to prevent relapse. Your provider will guide you through this journey, ensuring a personalized treatment plan. Medication is just one part of recovery. Let's explore additional resources that can strengthen your recovery efforts. Beyond medication, support resources like counseling, support groups, and educational programs play a vital role in recovery. Many providers offer integrated care models to address both the physical and psychological aspects of opioid dependence. Beginning treatment for opioid use disorder requires courage. Start your journey by reaching out to qualified professionals who can guide you through recovery. Visit SuboxoneDoctor.com to find a provider in Albany and take the first step toward reclaiming your life. Ready to begin your path to recovery? Visit SuboxoneDoctor.com to find a qualified provider in Albany and schedule your initial consultation. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more recovery insights.